This is Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to present you one of the recent research topic for the biomedical students, even for the computer science, those who want to work with the artificial intelligence, even for the electronics, those are interested in the image processing, biomedical image processing. So let's have a look at what we have done. Here what we have implemented is for the iris recognition system, in which basically artificial neural network is being used, not the CNNs or DNNs, but the artificial neural network, which is the initial phase of the neural network under the machine learning. So it is very important to understand the concepts between the machine learning and the deep learning. Basically the deep learnings are the networks which are pre-trained, right? Mostly are the pre-trained, but here what we are doing, we are developing the neural network from the scratch, and it will work according to our data sets, which will reduce the complexity also, right? So let's start with the demonstration that what it is doing. In this, basically we have implemented the an advanced model for the feature extraction. The enhancement is also applied, as you can see on the system, that median filter based and Kohara filter based. So these two type of filters being used for the enhancement of the iris dataset. Here the left and right images are being used for the different males and the females. So the classification is basically done for different case study, whether it is detecting for the male or not, for the female or not, whether it is detecting, it is matching or not. So the final results are being compared on the basis of precision, recall, accuracy. So these are the things that what we have done. So it is an advanced model. Once the feature being extracted, so later it will start training the system, and finally will give us the accuracy and precision, recall, and many other factors. A final comparison is being also done with the previous techniques, that to prove that our system is better enough in the terms of accuracy, and can be implemented in the real time to detect these particular things, right? So let's wait for the processing, and then it will start with the artificial intelligence, artificial neural network training and evaluation, right? So as you can see, the number of samples that we are using here are very much in count, because it is having the left and right both of the samples, right? So the currently the sample number that is processing is the 40th one, 42 and so on, and left and then right. So that what we are processing. Even along with that, one graph is also, you can see that is there, that is representing the variation in the histogram for the two models, right? So I will explain you once it is done. See, this was basically the histogram variation in the pre-processing phase. This is the neural network that is getting trained by the dataset. So you can see that it's a gray median and the Kohara filter histogram variation. Neural network is getting trained, in which the epochs, time performance, gradient, and other factors are being are entered by the user, and this is designed by us also. So this is a basically neural network toolbox in the MATLAB, which can be used for any of the specific application, by giving the data for the training purpose. Once it is done, the evaluation is done at the back end, and results being shown in the form of the accuracy for the male, female, and many other factors being considered, F measure, precision, recall, and the mean square error also. If you want to check with the rest of the things also, the neural network performance is also shown over there, right? So this is a high level model design with the feature extraction, upgradation, and the neural network classification. So the filtration process and enhancement process are being introduced in this to get the better accuracy at the end, right? So I hope you people like this video, and for the biomedical application, this one is a good research topic and can proceed for the MTech and the PhD research work also. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.